Hello friends, today being Sunday we are on a nice trek with Geo trackers here and we are at the Karmal Ghat now, and you can see our fellow trekkers. Some of us have taken ride in our cars and one bus went ahead of us. So we are taking a halt here to pray to God that our trek be successful. Yeah. We are on the way for this trek now, and we are at the Hathipal gate. This place is called Cotigao, and we are right near the wildlife sanctuary, Cotigao Wildlife Sanctuary here. And you can see behind me, everybody charged to have the experience the trekking will give them. Come on, Pallavi.
I just want you to know that we are going to nature's quest. So let's not litter the place. Do not go to touch anything which is unknown to you. And see to it that you take care of each other. You know, because it's going to be a rough track. It's a moderate track, not that difficult one also. But see to it that you be there for each other.
And obey the commands of those who are experts in trekking.
And very important, please hydrate yourself because you need that energy, because it's almost 5 kilometers trek. So go slow at your own pace, no hurry, because we have to save our energy for the final spot, that's the waterfall. So I wish you all the best and energetic trek. So see you all at the point.
Come back safely. Every trekker wants rain, and now the rain has stopped.
Yo.
Yeah. We hope that the rain continues. Yes. This is the reason, man, most of the trekkers come to these woods. Nice scenery. And see the landscapes here. Wow, lovely. In between we will find lot of such streams, small or big maybe, and we trekkers enjoy the most to cross this kind of water streams. Of course, this is the start of the trek now. So this is an initial stage. The difficulty will come later on. Everybody is enjoying on their faces, you can make out. But once the difficult part starts now, then we'll come to know whether they enjoy or whether they take stress. That will come to know. Yes. Nikki. Pallavi.
Hey, we come in peace.
Viva Goa.
Viva trekking. Viva geo trekking. And here comes the master of this track, Rishi there. Hi Rishi.
Hi.
So these are the normal creeks actually. Easy to cross. But ahead we may find difficult creeks, like difficult streams or rivers maybe even. We'll have to wait and find. Wait and watch. These treks, as always, you know, they are very tricky. But when we have got trekkers like Nikki, we don't find any problem here. Nikki, hi.
Hi.
Little princess who joined our track. What I say is the cycling or the marathon or whatever this long distance endurance sport, no, is all a mind game. If you think in your mind it is possible, then it is possible. If you think it is not possible, then you won't make it.
Very much possible.
Yeah. And these trackers you have seen, they are enjoying this track. They are enjoying that track. And it is camouflaging with a shirt now. See, you cannot see the butterfly there. Yes, yes. Then you see that butterfly? Yeah. Here you can see some trackers there.
See that? Nice view.
और ये हमारी स्वरा। स्वरा, आपको जंगल में ट्रैक पर आना कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
वाओ।
हेलो सोका, टेक इट इजी। आ जाना पड़ लो।
काय झालं? अन्ना मम्मा सामकी बडी झाली।
ना घेतली मम्मा. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट.
The degree of difficulty is more here. And Swara's mom is now coming down.
Trying her best.
Trying her best.
And yes.
Yes, she made it. Yes, she has made it. Yes, 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 yes. आराम से, आराम से.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Yes.
Lush landscapes. And there at a distance you see the waterfall. Hi, say hi. Seems everybody is charged. Come on, come on, come on. Now everybody will get down. It's a steep down there. Hey, take care, guys, take care.
गरज पडली आले एकमेकाचे हात धरा आणि या.
Make a human chain. These trekkers are taking this pain, why, you know? To visit the second highest waterfall in Goa. The first being Dudhsagar waterfall. This is the second highest waterfall in Goa now. and that's why we are taking all these pains. Isn't it, trekkers?
Yes.
You see that? Very narrow and the two very slippery. A little step wayward and you go down. She is following the right way. Just sit and go ahead. That is the best technique, safest technique. This is what is adventure, yeah. This is what is adventure. There is one cable tied up here, maybe because. Yeah. See. Take care, Baba, take care. Yeah. It was good that he was holding on that cable. Otherwise, he would have come straight down. Somebody knowingly must have tied this rope, this cable, wire. Because without this cable, I think it's very tough. Not possible. Only 5 minutes left.
This is the difficult part of the trek.
Yeah, till now. Till now, yeah.
Let's see what is there further for us.
Yeah.
In store.
Yeah. And now there is no help of cable also. The downhill is still there. Only the branches we have to take hold of, catch hold of. Take care. Yes. कैसे भी करके जाना है. बैठ के जाएंगे, खड़े होके जाएंगे, लेकिन जाना है नीचे. डर के आगे जीत है, right? You overcome the डर and you win. Hello friends, hi. It's a little bit difficult, yeah. Getting down this slopey downhill, very tough. Checking on nose. Show. She's still smiling. See how he's holding the branches. Shivani, take care. Hold tight to that branch. Yeah. He is the usual trekker. See the way he goes down. Very fast. Don't hold that. And see, you can see the rope, with the help of which we are now going down there.
Waterfall is there.
And there up you can see the waterfall.
Dangerous trek.
This trek is very treacherous, dangerous, whatever adjective you may say. Yeah. One side it is deep valley and very little edge reach there. Yes. Hey, राव तो दाखयतलो आमकां कशें देंवपाचें तें. Concentrate on the path there. Hey, नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी हाँ. Such narrow is the path. Hey, दोरी एक धर लक्ष्मी. दोरी धर. हे अशें उरफाटी चल लक्ष्मी. पळय हें कशें वता पळय. हे शिवानी कशें वता पळय. कशें वच. At the background, the second tallest waterfall is coming down, and here we are also going down to go to that side. Some of our members are already there.